Did you know there's a superfood that's been enjoyed for thousands of years? It's a staple that has nourished ancient civilizations and continues to do so today. It's not some new fad, it's quinoa. This tiny seed, often mistaken for a grain, is packed with nutrients and has a rich history. This ancient grain is making a modern comeback, and for good reason. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to main courses. Let's dive into the wonderful world of quinoa and discover why it deserves a place on your plate. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Ready to embark on a journey to boost your health and taste buds? Quinoa is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a perfect addition to any diet. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the secrets of this nutritional powerhouse. From its origins in the Andean region to its rise in global popularity, quinoa has a fascinating story. Get ready to revolutionize your meals and experience the magic of quinoa. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, quinoa offers endless possibilities to enhance your culinary adventures. Quinoa, pronounced quinoa, isn't actually a grain. It's often mistaken for one because of its grain-like appearance and culinary uses. Surprise! It's a seed from a plant related to spinach and beets. This unique relationship gives quinoa its distinct nutritional profile. Native to the Andean region of South America, quinoa was a staple for the Incas, who called it chisaya mama, or mother grain. The Incas revered it not just for its sustenance, but also for its cultural significance. For centuries, quinoa thrived in the harsh conditions of the Andes, revered for its resilience and nutritional power. It was able to grow in poor soil and withstand extreme weather, making it a vital crop for survival. But its story doesn't end there. Quinoa's journey from ancient fields to modern kitchens is a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. Quinoa's journey has taken it across continents and into modern kitchens worldwide, becoming a cherished ingredient for health-conscious eaters. Today, it's celebrated not just for its history, but for its ability to adapt to contemporary culinary trends, offering a nutritious alternative in a variety of dishes. Don't let its small size fool you. This tiny seed is a powerhouse of nutrition. Quinoa is packed with nutrients and offers a versatile addition to any meal. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need to function properly. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking for plant-based protein sources. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to main courses. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. Plus, it boasts an impressive array of vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and manganese. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and energy levels. Incorporating quinoa into your diet is like giving your body a nutritional boost. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health or simply enjoy a delicious meal, quinoa is a fantastic option. Section 4. Quinoa Creations, from salads to sweets. Ready to get cooking? Quinoa's mild, nutty flavor makes it incredibly versatile. Use it as a base for salads, a hearty addition to soups and stews, or a substitute for rice or couscous. Get creative. Quinoa flour can be used in baking for gluten-free treats. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Unleash your inner quinoa chef. Want to unlock the full potential of quinoa? Here's a special tip. Rinse quinoa before cooking to remove its natural coating, called saponin. This will eliminate any bitterness and enhance its flavor. Experiment with different cooking liquids, spices, and herbs to create your signature quinoa dishes. So go ahead, embrace the versatility of quinoa and elevate your culinary creations. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.